So here is what you get when you pay your $39.95. You get How to Teach Trig to an 8-year-old. And basically all this is showing how we use the basic concepts to teach trigonometry. And once you understand and keep it simple, any little 8-year-old kid can do this. Actually, younger kids can do this, but for sure 8-year-olds can do it. And then the point is, if an 8-year-old can do it, can a 16-year-old do it? Can an adult do it? Right? So we keep it simple. And if you can teach it to an 8-year-old, you can certainly teach it to an adult. Right? Actually, probably it's easier to teach it to an 8-year-old than it is to an adult or a high school student that has decided that it's hard. But this is what you get. So what you get is a 40-minute video that talks about, starting from the beginning, the various screens. And we go through, or I go through each one of the screens and talk about what you get, right? Or what we did in the teacher training. So that's another shot from the whiteboard. There's another shot from the whiteboard, and I explain each one of them in detail. So that's just the screenshots or the shots of the whiteboard as we were going through and doing teacher training. So that video is 40 minutes long. It explains all of these, pictures. Then you also get the training, the teacher training itself in full motion video. So this describes what's going on, or what you'll see here is this video is full motion and talks about, how we use, in this case, what we're doing is using algebra to teach the basic add-ins and multiplication facts. And then from there, we talk about, how to use this information and how to organize this information. And anyway, step-by-step training for you. And now we're going to talk about, okay, SOHCAHTOA and the mnemonic and what it means, and of course Pythagorean theorem. These two things form the basis of trigonometry, and then we're going to apply these two things to being able to solve, if I know the angle and a side, how I find the other side, or if I know two sides, how I find the angle. I'm just keeping it very simple. So, we start off with the 30, 60, 90, but we also do a couple here where I fool around with a Pythagorean triple, and then at the very end, one where it's not a Pythagorean triple or a special triangle. It's just that's 3 and that's 7. How do I find out what that side is? And we make it very simple, and how to punch the calculator and what you need to know. Then I also give you this bonus. I give you 2 bonuses. One is the lesson that I gave a student that allowed him to get 100% on his test, put him in the 100% club. He got a perfect score. This lesson alone, there's 50 bucks. It's probably worth more than that, but there's 50 bucks. If you're doing training, and that's a 2-hour training, let's say it's $50 an hour, there's another $100. Here's another $100, or another at least $50. I mean, this page is worth a whole lot more than $39.95. All right, so, and then the last one, this very, very short video right here, where I show you, how to derive pi r squared. And that's just a very short video as an added bonus. All right, so that's what you get when you click through. So where you are right now is here, right? And when you click enter and put your password in, that's what you get. So that's what you're watching is the video that's right here, right now. That's what you get for $39.95. This page is totally worth it. If you have a lifetime password, just email me and I will send you the password for free, because it's part of your lifetime password. If you do not have a lifetime password, if you've only paid for an annual, or you've only got a you're doing a looky-loo where you've just taken a look at the introductory price, or you're looking for the password as an introduction, and you paid 20 bucks or whatever, or maybe you're paying the $6 a month as a subscription to get just the site-wide password, or maybe it's the teacher training password that you got for $6 a month and you got annual access. You need to pay $39.95 to get to this page. But if you have a lifetime password and you're paying the $20 a month or whatever, maybe you got it on sale or whatever, then you don't need to give me $39.95. You just need to send me an email and I will send you the password. So if you have a lifetime pass, it's free. If you don't have a lifetime pass, it's $39.95. Very simple. All right, CroutonRamon'sHouseOfMath.com for more.